Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and we have in front of us an open machine of the Torre Alfredo heat exchange espresso machine with TSP. This machine 2 days ago started overheating. So what's the first thing that you look at when a machine overheats? It is the PID sensor, and it usually has some type of film. The PID sensor is right here, very high quality. The past, I would say, 3 years we've been carrying Torre. This machine's been out here for a year. This will be the first one that I'm aware of that has to be cleaned on the PID sensor. So it has a black wire, gray on the top, and there's a nut there. I'm not going to take it off because this machine has actually just made me a nice cafe creme about 30 minutes ago. So it's still hot and probably has some steam. But that's the part you want to take off. But before you take that off, you need to disconnect the cable because you don't want to put bends and basically bend this wire. On the other side here where it goes into the brain unit, there's a 2-pin connector. And don't pull by the wires. You're going to pull by the connectors and it comes out. And it can only go in one way. Then you take this out, you get your wrench, which was a crescent wrench, and this piece will come out. Now, when I took it out, I'm like, whoa, this looks kind of clean, but it wasn't. There was a very, very light film that you really couldn't see to the naked eye. I took a wire brush to it on the inside, put a little sealant, which is lock seal in this case, food grade NSF Loctite can be used. I don't always prefer that, or plumber's tape if the other two are not available. Put it back in and voila, didn't overheat. Water can affect any espresso machine, not just PID sensors, but just build up refill probes. Okay, here the green wire is connected to the refill probe. Very important for good water. Not always the best for coffee, but good for the machine. If you have any questions or comments, please ask down below. As always, I ask you to follow us on social media, but also to share to show that you care and I care for everyone to learn about espresso machines and espresso grinders. Once again, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Coffee first, everything else second. Take care.